Hello guys, pupunta nga ulit ako dito para ma-start ulit. Hello guys, maglalaro tayo nito. Game na tong tawag The Core of Wallhop Tower. Kaya ko naman yung Wallhop, marunong ako dun eh. Diba napanood niya po yung mga iba kong mga Wallhops? O pwede, mga sa din mga towers, diba? Nalog talaga ako. End. What do you mean end? You think you are gonna go in the end? Was easy. I think I'm gonna live again here. Not the live donation username. Okay. Easy lang. Naglalag talaga ako. Alam ko. Ay! At ang laki talaga na. Nanglalog talaga ako guys. So nakikita nyo ng stop. I think I'm gonna live in there. Why they're so that's mean. Oh, that's mean. Why you not gonna give me some Wi-Fi? No! Live donation. I think I'm gonna Bro. I think diba na alam ko na. Nalaro ka na tapet.
Kainin natin.
Ayoko. Kasi pinaka ko ni Kuya baka poisonin.
Dar, mingat! Mingat! Kagatin mo na.
Ayoko ma.
Ako na nakakaya.
Sige. Nang-recording pa ako eh. Huwag ka muna maingay. Nare-record pa. Ito,
Chicken.
ayoko. May ginagawa ako. I'm just gonna be a pro OB in this game, but I don't know how to do that. I think I saw something. Or something. I'm gonna do that. Whoa. You know Bro, this I don't want to live in this game.
Wako, ingat!
Expecting TV shop. Ano yan? Petaling scene. Tama nga ako. Wala akong wifi. Kaya hindi ko mapipindot yung TV shop. Ano kasi ginagawa ko? Tingnan ko nga
Malboro.
Malboro express na gumana kita. May gumana. Bro! Bro.
Tikmin mo lang, sarap. Sige na, kagat ka. 1, 2, 3, kagat. Kailangan kumakain kang ganito para lalaki kagat ka. Lakayan mo yung kagat mo. Pizza lang yan. Lakayan mo yung kagat mo.
I think I'm gonna wait back. Bro, this is really not a good thing.
Gusto ko na isa-isa. Mainit din.
That's it. That's it. Oh my God. Yay! Liban kasi ako kanina. Yung feeling kasi ako. Kung nalalag ako, baba niya ako. Hindi na ako nalalag kasi ayaw na ako. Nalalag na naman ako, babanda naman ako dito. Sige lang yun. Hindi naman forever. Want to see my face review? Oh no, you see all my face. I'm sorry. Yeah. My real face. That's not my real face. I just renting it. That is just I'm this you gonna like. No! I'm so close! Bro. Wow, may Robux. Si ate ko, si kuya, may Robux. Ay, ba't ka lumaki yung screen? Oh my gosh, glitchy. Glitchy po. Ano nangyayari? Sa old tower na tayo. Ano yan?
Hello?
May alam na akong bago. Walang dilaw.
Dito ko na nilagay. Dito ko na sinay. Daniel, binigyan rin nila?
May wifi!
No, Marimar.
May It's okay. Not this. I just click it. No. Okay.
Dali, mag-share si Mama. As ka dyan!
Okay, bro. How to turn on chip lock? Just go in the settings and click where is the chip lock. Go in. You just on the computer. I'm on the computer. I don't have the computer said. And so, di marunong ng manguhan. Tatry ko na ulit to. Everything. Dapat nakawoha. Ano yun? Ano yung sabihin? No. Rules. Ay! Rules. Bro, did you serious right now, bro? Okay. Too far.
To make her daughter live a wealthy life, the woman secretly swapped the sins of her daughter and the Wolf Clan princess, trade their sins. Say goodbye to your crown, little princess. Welcome to the gutter. I finished scrubbing the floors, and the laundry is done. Royal tournament starts today. I want to go watch, just to learn. I've always dreamed of being a knight like Selena.
A knight? You're a damn slave, born in the dirt and you
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna help, but there's no one to be my helper.
Did Dad lose his mind again? The tournament's starting. Go. It is your dream, right? Thank you, Tess. I owe you.
I'm so sorry.
I want that.
Sino to si Gicho? Ito si
I want to wear it for the tournament.
Ay!
Once your white wolf awakens tonight, the Ruby will recognize you.
These are my secrets. No secrets.
And when Prince Arthur wins the
Then
tournament,
I will
he'll crown you
secret it.
his Queen of Beauty. He's finally going to propose.
Now. We are on the video.
There she is, the jewel of my
We
kingdom.
need to be a good child when
To look like a
that
goddess.
are we need it. Are you
Thank you for dedicating today's tournament to me, Arthur.
She's my distant queen, so why do I feel no connection to her? Happy coming of age, sister.
Do I be having idea?
Arena.
What do we do in here?
God, Rosalind, trash in my presence.
I need to edit it. What? It's cut. I'm not gonna.
What the hell was that?
Oh my gosh.
You idiot! You scared the princess!
Idiot.
You threw the necklace. You stole the horse.
Idiot.
So now it's my fault?
No, of course not. It was that slave girl. She spooked the horses.
I didn't block anything. Your horse lost control. Liar. On your knees, rat.
Liar.
Or my king father will chop off your head for this. Being a noble doesn't give you the right to be a tyrant. Let go of me, bitch! What's happening here? Celine, the fiercest white wolf in the realm. My hero. Mother, thank the goddess you're here. This slave attacked us. She tried to pull the royal carriage. She ambushed us, your grace. I only came to watch the tournament, your grace. Her horse smooth. I didn't touch her carriage. My daughter carries royal blood. A white wolf does not lie. Guards, drag this slave.
Collection.
Please, your grace. I know I'm noble, but I dream of being a knight. I just wanted to see them fight. I want to protect our kingdom, just like you do.
Her eyes. Why does she feel so familiar?
Mother, wait. She's just an ignorant slave. Executing her is beneath us.
You have a merciful heart, Rosie.
The ground is muddy. Let me use your back as a stepping stone. I'll get to the carriage and you
What
can
is
shoot your head.
this?
You heard your princess. Kneel
Cover.
or hang for treason.
Tap to edit. Hi.
You are dead, tramp.
White wolf?
It hurts.
Guards, kill that slave!
First night of the Seven Kingdoms.
It's not our son.
Match for Princess Rosneft. The champions sweat, Arthur.
At the gallery. We're not gonna do this anymore.
Inexplicably drawn to her.
Collection.
Again? She humiliated me, and now she's trying to seduce my Arthur. I'll kill her myself. Strip her. Put her in the dead man's armor. Wait, what is this? Let me down!
Prince Arthur versus the mystery challenger!
Goddess, I'm dead. Stay focused, Elena. Breathe.
Incredible. Smiths United
I need to kill that piece of
God's a strike. No one else knows that. It's like looking into a mirror.
Take her head off.
Confess to the ambush, slave. Confess, and I'll grant you a swift death.
I won't confess to a lie. I am innocent.
Burn her!
Arthur, stop. Why do you care? She's a gutter rat. Let her burn. Andromeda, control your beast. Protect Katrina and break the alliance between our kingdoms.
A king who burns the innocent is no king of mine.
It's no use, my prince. The fire was too huge. She's dead.
Alessio.
Kapkat. Ito yung kapkat. Tsaha. Nakakatawa.